1, 2. And you want to draw on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 8. I didn't start you.
That's really
that one. Put on number 1.
I think your daddy has yours.
Hello. I've been telling you I got stickers.
I want that one.
Oh, is that Cinderella? Let me see. Show the camera. Whoa. Okay. Where you want them?
Mine.
Can't get a good picture, so I'll just make a movie.
Hey, I know you're a dad, but you're not supposed to do the dad look.
Me?
No, Josh.
What did you look at? That's what I did too.
Yeah, you both did. Oh, yeah, later.
Wait, I can take a picture of it. Hey, Dad, you put the stickers.
Where?
Because this is me.
On your arm? Come here.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
I can't let go.